Click and Go mode allows you to choose the destination of your AR Drone 2.0. A new control interface shows the geographical map. Click on this map to determine the destination of your AR drone within the limits of the Wi-Fi connection. You can also change the speed during flight. The GPS receiver improves stabilization even further by calculating the position of your AR drone in flight and helping to prevent it from drifting in the wind. With the flight recorder, your flight data is enriched by GPS location data. By registering with the AR Drone Academy, you can access a record of all the flights you have made, review their trajectory in 3D, and position them on the AR Drone Academy map.